In this video, learn how to set SMS reminders for Google Calendar events. Let's begin. You can create an SMS reminder with the help of IFTTT for free. Open the IFTTT website and click on the Create button at the top right corner. Now click on the If This button. Now search for Google Calendar and click on Any Event Starts to select a trigger. Log in with your Google account. Select the calendar event and the time to send a notification before the event starts. It is wise to choose to receive notification 15 or 30 minutes in advance, as messages from IFTTT can be delayed notifications. Click on Create Trigger once done. Now select the Then That button and click on Android SMS. Here, click on Send an SMS. Enter the phone number that you'd like to receive the SMS on and click on Create Action. Finally, click Continue, then Finish to activate the applet. It's also a good and safe idea to test run the applet to make sure it is working as intended. And there you have it. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.